Hi, in this video, we are going to share some natural anti-aging remedies that will help you say goodbye to those fine lines and wrinkles. First up, let's talk about the power of hydration. One of the main causes of crow's feet is dehydration, which can make the skin around your eyes look dry and wrinkled. So, make sure you're drinking plenty of water throughout the day to keep your skin hydrated and plump. Next, let's talk about the benefits of a good night's sleep. Lack of sleep can cause dark circles and puffiness around your eyes, which can make your crow's feet look even more prominent. So, make sure you're getting at least 7 to 8 hours of sleep every night to help your skin repair and rejuvenate. Another great natural remedy for crow's feet is aloe vera. Aloe vera has anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce puffiness and redness around your eyes. Simply apply a small amount of aloe vera gel around your eyes before going to bed and let it work its magic while you sleep. Finally, don't forget about the power of antioxidants. Antioxidants help fight off free radicals that can damage your skin and cause premature aging. So, make sure you're eating plenty of antioxidant-rich foods like berries, leafy greens, and nuts to help keep your skin looking young and healthy. These remedies can help you achieve a more youthful and radiant look. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing videos. Thanks for watching.